Hi, Rockstar Kindergartners. For our Word Work Center today, we're going to first listen to the video, Rocco the Rhyming Rhino. After listening to the video and practicing some rhymes, you're going to click to the next slide. You're going to look at the pictures. So, for example, we have hen, pig, wig, pen. Let's listen again. Hen, pig, wig, pen. If it rhymes, you're going to pull it together. For example, hen, pen, that rhymes. Okay, friends, so then you'll click to the next slide and do the next set of rhymes. So we have lip, log, dog, zip. And then the next slide, box, sun, bun, box. So again, friends, you're going to watch the video, Rocco the Rhyming Rhino first, then you're going to go through and match the words with the correct rhyming word.